Nearly 50 people filled the Warner Robins Law Enforcement Center. They came for a town hall focused on building trust between police and the neurodivergent community.
That is the term for people with conditions like autism or attention deficit disorder. Jasmine Lee shows us how one mom turned a traumatic moment into a movement.
Despite us telling them that my son was nonverbal, he's like, "What's your name?" Just trying to talk to him.
That reality of a traffic stop involving her autistic son pushed Jocelyn Patterson to speak up. She says she's determined to change how law enforcement respond in situations involving neurodivergent people.
I am expecting for accountability to be put in place and for them to get a better insight from the parents, the caregivers, the community to see how we feel.
That message led people to gather at the Warner Robins Law Enforcement Center Thursday night. Police Chief Wayne Fisher offered safety tips and listened to concerns from families, caregivers, and advocates.
Part of this is for us to figure out what resources are here, and again, find out what parameters they meet or fit into.
Chief Fisher pointed to current tools aimed at making police responses safer and more informed. One step comes from Houston County's 911 Center. They've created a voluntary form for families of autistic individuals. It lets parents share important details like what calms their children, what triggers them, and their home address so officers can respond more appropriately in an emergency.
Our goal is to try to get the situation stabilized to the point so those that can provide proper care can come in.
According to the CDC, 1 in 36 children in the U.S. is diagnosed with autism. Patterson says those numbers demand a better approach, and that's what she's building. She's created Project BAM, which stands for a better approach to autism and mental health.
We're not really together in the sense of what is autism. We see the signs, we see the deaf child, we see all that everywhere, but people don't really understand the difference between low functioning, profound autism, high functioning autism.
Reporting in Warner Robins, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.
Police Chief Fisher says he hopes to host similar events and provide more training for officers to handle these types of cases.